and overwhelm you as on the state and the sea. If you want a job and you want to work something, will you let the truth pass there?
Hey, what are you doing?
What I understood from the display is that making impact. 1, 2, eat, drink, party, all of that. Life is to make impact. We are supposed to say, ask ourselves questions. What was I born to do? Why was I created? Something inside me to give to the. Thank you.
Great. See, if you have something to say, say it to all of us. Let's put our hands together for him. I don't want to talk about distraction. If I have to ask you, Martha, who are you? What will you say? Who are you?
First of all, start my person.
Okay.
Someone say I'm answer.
Okay.
Then I can tell them where I came from, so my place of origin.
Okay. Thank you. Anybody else? Who are you? Peter, who are you?
Well, I would already say that.
No, answer me. Don't say, who are you? I'm asking.
Okay.
Who are you?
My name is Peter. It's social behind. Yes, I'm from the state there. I'm from Milan. It's from Milan.
Okay.
Yes, I'm Slovenia.
All right, thank you. I'm going that way to ask one more person. Or if somebody feels they can answer this question very well, let's see your hand up. Who are you? Anybody? Hannah, who are you?
First of all, I am human. I'm an embodiment of characteristics that sometimes I take for myself.
Okay. All right, thank you. Now, the reason why you came for an employability program, and I'm asking you who you are, is because we have a saying that if you are not happy with the life you are living today, there's only one problem. And the problem is that you do not know who you are. Now, this is a fact. But whether you can solve this problem will depend on you and how you interact. For the next few days, you are going to be going through a process of where we will be telling you that if you want to be successful in any career or even as a business person, you need to have certain kind of skills. Now, there will be so many reactions. Some people will say, me? I'm not like that. Even my father knows I'm not like that. People cannot come and force me to be one. The question is, who are you? So I want you to write something down on your piece of paper. Write, I am the owner of myself. Can you write it down? I am the owner of myself. Now, those of us that came with babies, Beloved babies, they are gifts from God. But this training is not like other trainings you've attended. You are going to be moving around, you are going to do group work, you are going to do a lot of things. So you need to find somebody to help you with your babies from tomorrow so that you can fully participate and get the benefits. Mommy's in the house. Yes. Okay. So I want you to write, I am the owner of myself. Have you written it? After that, I want you to write, myself is not the owner of me. Can everybody read it? 1, 2, go. I am the owner of myself. Myself is not the owner of me. Somebody should tell me what you think it means. What does it mean? Okay, Sandra.
I am the owner of myself. Myself is not the owner of me. And then there are some things you can move to. Or you tell yourself, no, I don't want to go this way, I want to go that way.
This, I want you to write. So, read it. No, take that one.
Okay. I'm going to say, when you say the owner of physical possession, you don't have anything to do with your decision. The step you take means you are responsible for the step that you take out of you are positive.
Okay, thank you. Let's start for him. Okay, I want to ask a question. Who here has done 7 days drivers before? 7 days. Wow, I respect you, my brother. I don't have that before. Who has done 3 days? Right. Okay. Now, okay, if you've never done 3 days, who here has been extremely hungry before? Very hungry. So imagine, I remember when I tried to do a 3-day flight back. My sister, she did 7 days. I was like so inspired. I started to do 3 days. I did the first day, I was bouncing. Second day, I was shaking. By the time everybody left home the third day, I attacked the fridge and finished everything inside. So I didn't survive till the third day. But I know how it felt. So imagine God, you are hungry, extremely hungry. 7 days is not easy. Now you are finished breaking. You are going home and there is food at home. Can you think of how hungry you will be? Now you are sitting in a bus. Somebody that you don't know is eating fried rice with chicken. You know that chicken that they put ketchup? And you're sitting beside the person, letting the ketchup. How will you feel? What do you feel like doing? That's not all. You now eat one half of the chicken, and food, Charlie. That's when you put inside the packet and put under the seat. With your head under the seat. You'll be picturing the chicken. That's what happens. Will you beg? Will you beg? But what does your body want? Your body wants food and water. But what do you want? You want to help because you don't see yourself begging. So you tell your body no. So is your body you or does your body belong to you? Is your body you or does it belong to you? Good. So who are you that your body belongs to? Who are you that your body belongs to? Who is the you that your body? My mind. Okay, we'll get there. Let's say it's your mind. Let me believe you. Have you ever been thinking about something and it was upsetting you? You're like, man, let me not think about it. I changed my mind. Let me think of something. Have you done that before? Have you changed your mind before? So your mind it belongs to you. Do you agree? Yes. So who are you that's controlling the mind? Myself. This is myself. That's the question. The spirit. Do you feel the spirit? If you don't feel the spirit, what happens? pastor, chief, father, because that is how you have defined yourself. But all these things are not you. They belong to you. All these things I've mentioned are the little things. Let me tell you the most dangerous things by which we define ourselves. Two things. The first one is our fears. How many of us are designing our whole life just to avoid the things we are scared of? There is somebody in this crowd and read you, your dream is to do this thing I'm doing. Stand to people and talk to them. But if I call you here now, you will run back. In fact, your house is too close. You will run to the village and lock yourself. Because you are scared of facing what? Wow. But guess what? If you design your life around your fears because you don't know that this is who you are, you will never feel fulfilled. Some people define their life just chasing things they are already good at. But maybe the things you are good at, you're just good at them, track them. And still in hiding, waiting to be discovered. Let me give you a personal example of myself. Up until university days, if you put me in front of a crowd, I'll start crying. Like tears, real tears. I could not face a crowd up until I was in university. Think about the fact that inside me was a teacher waiting to be unleashed, but just because I was scared of the crowd, I couldn't become that person. Some people here, we are living a life that is unfulfilled just because we have made ourselves slaves to our nature. I want to turn to the person beside you. Say your nature belongs to you. Leave them like that. Me, my man just has a way of slapping people. Control yourself around me because you never know when I will slap. No, I'm trying to be nice, but I don't know why my mouth just has a way of insulting people. They say we should dress well when for interviews. But you know, I don't like dressing well because you know, some of us, we have issues communicating, speaking properly and expressing ourselves, and we still blame our primary school teachers. Yes or no? It's our primary school teachers. They taught me English using Benin language. That's why I can't speak English well. But the way you speak, is it you or does it belong to you? Is it you or does it belong to you? Everything that belongs to you must work for you. Tell your neighbor what I just said. If it is working against you, then whose responsibility is it to change it? You are not a slave to your nature. Do you know why this is critical? Let me tell you why this is critical. It is important for you to realize that you are not a slave to your nature. That's how I am. That's how I was born. You know, I met a guy once on an interview panel. And we had looked at his CV, and we liked the CV, and we wanted to put him as a manager. Can those of you at the back hear me? We wanted to put him as a manager of a team. We called him in for the interview. Young man, tell us about yourself. And the next thing I heard was, my name is... I'm like, hello, we can't hear you. Please, speak up. Then okay, stop it. My name is... Okay, we're not hearing. So I thought he was scared. You know, I'm normally the nice person on the interview panel. So I tried to calm him down. Calm down. We want to really get to know you. We like your CV. You might be good for this job. Okay? Tell us about yourself. Okay, now I'm serious. Now I'm ready. My name is... Yes or no? How many people here, people are always asking you, why are you frowning? Say, that's how I smile. Why are you frowning? That's how my face is when I'm smiling. You are walking into a place, you are trying to smile at the interviewers so they can like you. You are looking as if you are frowning. You say you didn't create yourself. You are working with a boss, every time he looks at you, he thinks you are frowning. You say that's how your face is. But your face, who does it belong to? You. Who will work on it? You will go to your mirror in your house. You will smile. You will run. That's scary. You go back. You practice until you can come up with something that looks like a smile to others. Because it belongs to you. It shouldn't work against you. While you are here for the next few days, we are going to be teaching you different things about yourself that you might need to work on. I don't want anybody to still be under the mentality that they are slaves to their nature and say, no, this is how I am, no, hey, even my father knows. Did I create myself? You didn't create yourself, but you can recreate, you can work, bring the best out of what you have. This mic is giving me issues. Can it stop shaking, please? Now, this is me talking without the mic. Can you hear me at the back? A bit, but not well enough, right? Now, out of the stomach together, she never mentioned it because she thought I knew. At this point in my life, I could have said, hello, I didn't create myself. That's how it is. Let me tell you the most ridiculous thing. You know those people, when you go to a restaurant and they are just making noise, and you look at them like, who are these village people in this quiet place? I'm sure maybe I was one of the people that you're looking at. But I'll be just with my friends, and people will be looking at us, and we were thinking they were checking out these babes. We didn't know that maybe we were making noise. I remember a day, someone was telling me a secret in a gathering at a corner. And me, I thought I was whispering, but the whole place was hearing me. I didn't create my voice. I have a good excuse. But it will be my choice to continue living my life in a way that is giving other people a bad impression or to work on it. Everything about you belongs, and it must do what? Say it like you know what I said. Everything about you belongs to you, and it must do what? Thank you. So I said this is critical because we have a saying. I want you to write it down. Life is 10% what happens to you. Life is 10% what happens to you. Life is 10% what happens to you, and it is 90% how you react. Can everybody read that back to me? 1 to go. Does anybody have an example? I want somebody to give me an example of something that happened to you, and because of it was supposed to be negative, but because of how you reacted, it became positive.
Firstly, I know the way I reacted to it was not okay, but my boss called me like, what happened? I already know that it's still going to turn as the other way. Because I think if I said anything further, I just have to. That's what this is.
So because of how you reacted, you escaped the consequences of your action. Good. Any other person? An example. Okay, thank you. example. I was one at the back, so let me give you the mic.
Like yesterday, I was at the bank. I was having a lot of checks, physical cash. When I gave it to at the desk, it was like I was too stressed out with it, and she was shouting and cramming her faces. So all I did was to give her a smile. She continued to shout, and I was giving her a smile. So later, she told me to meet somebody else. After which, I got everything, and